came here as fast as I could.
Of course.
So the sensors are working okay.
Better than we expected, in fact. With all of you standing so close, I can feel the warmth of your bodies.
You're going to take a little getting used to, John.
For me too, Ben. Frank, can you increase the sensor's capacity load?
5% all right, sir?
To start. Better.
It's not working.
The system is trying to deter you from gaining final access. Don't panic.
How did you get access?
We had another cop named Frankel. We were working it. Frankel went under it.
Now we need at least 20 gross rating points with the 30s over the next 2 weeks.
Gus Albiero, age 57. Divorced from Felicia Diaz in 78. Remarried, 2 children. Owns and operates an auto repair shop in North Miami. FBI links Albiero to as many as 14 possible jobs with hackers.
We're lucky to get a conviction.
Get greedy, donate half of it to the needy. But if I ain't set and not reject, get the girls off my feet and hit they all of my neck. Baby, you're a rich man. Baby, you're a rich man. I said, now, baby, you're a rich man. You're a rich man, too. 1, 2, 3.
Good, Mr. Dennison.
Woo! Shop around for what turns me on, like Fila, Louis Vuitton, and believe that's where I'm going, when he gets paid. But for now, let me explain to you about this man. He turns me down every time, and I don't know why. I've been with many fine women for colors. She's a living legend, a goddess of beauty, every way or another. I wanna get back to that. When I first met, it was love at first sight. Desperation is the subject, all I need is a night, and I'll have her in my arms, she'll be all mine. And every day for me and Carla will be Valentine. Baby, you're a rich man. Baby, you're a rich man. Baby, you're a rich man. You're a rich man too.
What color were her eyes?
Blue. Oh, what is it with this computer always, Duro, huh? Why don't you get the sketch artist?
I quit. Makes more money at county fairs. Okay. How about the hair?
Silky blonde with little highlights.
Oh, give it a rest,
Will ya? Duro, I'm telling you, this is not going to work. Wait, that's her. Well, come on, what are you waiting for? Print it up.
Okay.
Let's try it again. First, you access the file listing, then you make your choice, then you run the cursor down like this, and you hit retrieve. Go ahead.
All right, this one.
No! Don't delete the whole thing.
Oh, damn it.
There, that was close.
How the hell did you get so good on this thing?
I bought one a year ago. They're addictive. I can do almost anything with it now.
Yeah, well, you were always obsessive.
Look, he's talking.
Yeah, you're right, you're right.
Now, she didn't have a permanent address, but we tracked her down to this building. It appears that your son and her are living together. Stuff was shot a couple of hours ago.
Are they keeping someone there?
I was gonna check on that tomorrow.
No. I'll go over later.
There's two ways of approaching a task like this. One is a straight 9-to-5 approach, which is fine. It'll get the job done.
Закладывает под ваши сердца. Что у вас там? Мы его потеряли, лейтенант. Он вышел из кафе через черный ход. Код доступа. Запрос информации. Вы все расскажете? Люблю веселье. Поспектр, поцелуй меня, парень. Он до сих пор говорит, что хорошие девушки не становятся моделями.
It's him, sir.
Activate the door.
What's up, sir? The fate of the world, the president's blood pressure, and you. Sit down, sit down.
I have the president on Security Channel 3, sir.
As most of you know, our foremost atmospheric physicist, Dr. Marcus Hottentot, achieved a remarkable breakthrough last week when he discovered the Hottentot formula.
Run a check, Williams.
Maxwell Smart, currently serving as a protocol officer for the State Department, substituting for senior officials who want to avoid functions such as ship christenings, weddings, funerals, circumcision.
Good, he's still with us. How can we reach Smart now?
He has a shoe phone, sir.
Mr. Hoppencamp? How's every little floating thing?
Oh, it's one of those. I like that.
Do you know how to work it?
Oh, yes.
Heroine of the Magic Flute, the piece we were doing with the choir.
What the hell's that smell? Must be a sewage backup around here.
Don't be late for school.
Professor,
What?
we're waiting for you. Team Maxwell and the grant committee.
Oh, I forgot. Print, you Stone Age piece of junk.
Professor.
Yeah. Listen, could you do me a big favor, please? No, I'm going to print it up as a personal favor to me.
There's a bad moon on the rise.
Hi.
Hey.
How'd it go with Little Hill? Isn't he great?
Oh, great guy.
Well, in the corporate world, he's known as a genius.
I'm sure he is.
That's him.
How's it going?
I designed the program to clues, assign which classrooms are caverns, locations, the weapons, keys, yield pistols, all that. Yeah. Watch it.
All right.
Alex is watching you.
You did most of the research, so you deserve the honor. I deserve to be left alone so I can take this case to court on Wednesday.
For the newsprint came from several different sources and would tell us nothing, but this time I looked at the adhesive. The same stuff was used throughout except for this one phrase, I'm going to kill you. As you can see,
You gotta get past these security guards. Come on. What the hell? What's going on?
I don't know. The order was that he's supposed to be in this operation 24 hours ago. As far as we can tell, he's about to rig.
But with kids, it's a gift that all Melmacians share. That and the ability to suck milk through our noses.
Alexander, can I help you?
Excuse me. Do you know where we can find Wayne Campbell?
That'd be privileged information. We just want to know where they brought it.
Say hypertension, something about heart must do something bad in you. You go and you work with it.
They're programming them on a UHF frequency. Lathan found a way to jam the signal. It was only a matter of time before they traced the pirate jam and sent one of their rubber geeks to stop it.
Gears and wood mostly. It can't be possible.
I'd say Patrick led us to an incredible scientific discovery.
Married? Single? Anything else? Catholic? There's two. Both traveling on business. Michael Hennessy and Peter Fredericks.
when the market opens tomorrow morning. Got it?
Yes, sir.
All of them.
Yes, sir.
You know who you're talking to.
Yes, sir.
Do you?
Yes, sir.
Nobody talks that way to Dennis McKenzie. Nobody. Now you dump those shares, or your next job will be at the end of a room sweeping up ticker tape from the exchange floor. You got it?
Yes, sir.
The word maybe isn't in the vocabulary of Dennis McKenzie. You got that? You got that?
Yes, sir.
Now do the job. Deborah Lee, you want...
Deborah Lee is a little tied up right now, Dennis. Is there something I can do for you?
Play it.
It's Dennis McKenzie. That's fraud or something, isn't it?
I kept going. I went as pirated software.
Dude, what the hell?
This isn't yours, Dillweed.
Oh, I get it. You building a shrine or something?
All right, you know what? It's time for school. Get in the car.
All right, just let me finish up this chat. Dina, be careful with that.
I thought Dad said you weren't allowed on this anymore. Do you know how expensive AOL is?
I'm stealing it from the net. I'm talking to someone
This
online.
internet bullshit is potentially exactly why you have no friends.
It's not bullshit. It's a community dedicated to the truth. Look, some guy went crazy and killed a bunch of people at the mall last night.
Holy shit.
It was all over the news. Skull mask killer. But of course, the media won't talk about the most important part.
Josh, I am telling you calmly, step out of your internet fantasy nerdland and get in the car.
You step out of your depresso and I'm gonna die alone land. And stop obsessing about Sam.
Get in the car!
Holy shit.
Dusty, what's going on in there? You're gonna be late.
Don't come in, I'm naked! I'm running out of time here.
Just hold your horses, Dusty Gun. And we pulled your claws. I don't see it.
Do you see it?
Yeah,
Try off.
I see it. Yikes, Dusty. What is all this? I will repent later.